7 tourists have been taken to hospital in Fiji after suspected alcohol poisoning. It's believed that they were all guests at a resort on Fiji's Coral Coast, where they drank cocktails in the bar on Saturday night and fell ill shortly afterwards. It comes just a few weeks after the death of 6 tourists in Laos because of suspected methanol poisoning. With me is our reporter Vandhna, Bhan, who's from Fiji. What more can you tell us about this incident?
So interestingly enough, this incident happened at a 5-star luxury resort on Fiji's southwest coast, near a town called Singatoka, called Warwick Resort. So unlike the Laos poisonings we saw that happened at a backpack hostel, this happened at a 5-star resort. Now also, unlike parts of Southeast Asia, Fiji isn't known to be a backpacker's haven because it is expensive. It is tailored towards those family holidays and honeymooners. Now, the Ministry of Health of Fiji have said that those affected their ages range between 18 and 56. Now, we understand that 4 of them are Australians, 1 is an American, and 2 of them are foreign nationals who live in Fiji, so expatriates. So very different to the ones in Laos, where most of them were teenagers or young adults. Also key to note, Fiji doesn't have a large bootleg alcohol issue like parts of Southeast Asia. So this is unusual for Fiji. They have they're very protective over how they see themselves in the tourism industry internationally, because it is their largest industry, accounting for about 40% of GDP. So a lot of questions here as to how this happened at a 5-star resort.
And so concerning, particularly as you say, in light of what happened in Laos recently. What have the authorities been saying to people?
So it is an ongoing investigation, and obviously at the early stages, the police are taking it very seriously and are remaining on site at the hotel. The Ministry of Health has issued a warning to those in Fiji to just be careful of what they're consuming over this festive period. And the Australians have also issued a warning to those travelling to Fiji, because it is a busy time in the Southern Hemisphere with summer. But again, an unusual incident for Fiji, so I'm sure authorities will want to get to the bottom of this as soon as possible.